Hello, everyone. Good morning. And today we are going to look into one of the Groove videos tutorials. I'm just simply going to show you that how you can add any videos from Groove video into your membership area. So this will be a just quick video, 5 minutes video, and uh, in this particular one, the training which I have started from today onward, the people who have purchased it, they need the access of the recording as well. So I'm just going to add that particular recording into a membership area, and I'm just going to show you that if you are a person who is running out your own coaching program and want to give access to your recordings to your clients, how you can do that. So I'm going to simply share my screen and will show you in a very quick video. So right now you can see that this video is uploaded 9 minutes ago. 2 hour session we did, 1 minute and 1 hour 56 minutes. And I'm going to upload this video into a um, uh, membership already I have built there. So this is a membership. Let me go to the dash. Let me go to the home. I guess I'm at the home right now, and we'll go to the membership here. Then I'm just going to do this one, the Groove Live Support membership, manage sub manage membership, and from this one, we'll get into the courses area where I have all my courses. So customize membership. In this one, I have to go into the customize membership. I think no, I think manage courses, I guess. Yeah, manage courses. I think let's go back here. Okay, I'm forward. Get into the manage courses and then edit course. You see the Groove Life Support 2025, the last one. We'll get into this one, edit course. And when I edit course, I have already module created for Groove funnels. So we'll click on access now. And so first of all, I will outline. So module one, module two, module three. So under the module, we have a lesson. So I just clicked on module and I get into the lesson. I will create another module. So I'll click to I'll just clone this module, clone. So it will clone module and lesson both. You can see this. And I will rename this module. I'll edit it and I'll rename this to mm, wait, new session. Oh, sorry, I'm going to rename the lesson. Okay. I'm going to rename the lesson, which is Groove Life Support 2025 Introduction to the Platform. And then know your dashboard. Okay, I got stuck. Introduction to the dashboard. Copy this one and I'll save this. Save this. I can see that under the module one, which is Introduction to the Platform. um, I can edit it and I can rename it module one platform. Great. Save. It's done. I'll go access now. And here I can rename the video the same. And Robinson is not needed. I don't want it. And I have a video placeholder here. I have an edit button. I'll just click on edit and then we'll go to the library. So this is my video library. If you want, you can add from YouTube, Vimeos, Vista, and Embed. So you can do that as well. I have my video into the library. I'm going to use it from here. I'll just select this particular video, select, and then click on select to the right top corner, and it's done. It's here. So now as soon as I will save this video will be available inside my membership to the people to watch it. And I can delete this for right now. And if I want to add anything, just write down there. So I can do that. Any kind of comment or any kind of content related to the video, people can go ahead and uh, read it out, or if I have anything to sign up or anything, I can give multiple accesses here. So when I click on plus, I can add another video or another content, any uh, checklist or anything to download, anything I can do in here. So this is how it works, and I'm just going to save it. It's saved. Now I go ahead and show you on the live page. All right, so I'm on my membership portal. So right now you can see that each one of saying learn more because I'm logged out right now. So we'll click on login to the portal with my credentials. And now you can see that all of them are showing access now. So we added our um, module in GLS 2025. So let's access this one. And now you can see that I have a module one introduction to the platform, which I just added. And then I will be clicking on access, and you can see the video is here. I can click on it and I can play, watch it, and learn from this particular video. So this is how you can add videos to your membership site. And we are doing this live training on every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Eastern Standard Time, 7:30 p.m. evening. If you are interested in joining our free live training program, please put in the comment below to learn more, and we will be sending you the registration link. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.